Hi, welcome to another coachable moment brought to you by the CPR Training Academy of Connecticut. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, causing about 1 in 4 deaths. The term heart disease refers to several types of heart conditions. In the United States, the most common type of heart disease is coronary artery disease, also called CAD, which can lead to heart attack. Anyone can greatly reduce their risk for this particular heart disease if they change their lifestyle, if they start taking medications. A heart attack happens when the blood flow to the heart is blocked. And did you know that a person can be having a heart attack and still be talking and breathing? So this person wouldn't need CPR, but they would need to get to the hospital right away. What happened is heart attack increases the risk of that person going into cardiac arrest. And when that happens, then they will need CPR. Thank you for watching another coachable moment by CPR Training Academy of Connecticut. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. See you next time for another coachable moment.